Open our upgrade tool. If a COM error prompt appears, just click OK to ignore it. Switch to the USB option. Select the printer's USB connection. We can right-click to open Device Manager and confirm the printer's USB connection. From Device Manager, you can see that our printer is connected as PM to FIR1BT. Some machines may only show it as USB printing support, but it's actually the same. If it doesn't appear, you can try clicking Get USB to refresh. Then click Get USB ID to obtain the connection information. Click the Send File option. Select our firmware file. Then click Open to start the upgrade. Pay attention to the byte count here. Only when it's fully completed is the process considered successful. Next, let's take a look at the upgrade status on the machine. During the upgrade, the machine will keep the purple light flashing. After the red light stays on, the machine will automatically calibrate the paper, and when the blue light stays on, it indicates the upgrade is complete.